What is going on, guys? Johnny coming back at you with another exciting video. It's not just me. I'm here with these two goons. Where are you guys? Come in here. Come in here. Come in here. We got one and we got thing two. How are we doing, guys?
Awesome.
All right, so we are bringing you an exciting video today. We wanted to get out and just have fun, so we're taking the Beast out here to another local dock that we did another video in, but this time we got the Beast, so we are going to do our best to see what we can pull in from this local fishing dock. If you're new here to my channel, be sure to click that subscribe button down below and ring my bell, ding ding, to get access to all the latest notifications. If you're already returning, I appreciate each and every one of you. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright guys, so we are back out here. First things first, there is a spray can in the water right here. So Riley is trying to grab it here with her magnet. See how she does here. There you go, we got something! Atta girl! You got it! What did you get? What? Alright guys, she got a can of chain cable lube. Definitely want to get that out of the water. That don't belong there, does it, Rye? Nope. Alright guys. Alright guys, this is what it's all about. Sisters helping sisters. Magnet fishing helping magnet fisher. They are untangling their ropes, getting everything ready to go. And today guys, I am going to be using the Beast, Centurion Magnetics 3800. That's right, this bad boy right here grabs so much stuff. It has changed my magnet fishing experience. But without further ado, let's get into it. That just went in there. Woo! Oh, God, I apologize, guys. It's been such a long time since I was able to get out here and film a video. But between work and everything going on, it's been kind of rough. Like I said, I started a new job here, and it's just been trying to get the family situated and everything. And like I said, I'm back out here. I promised you guys on the Facebook group, Johnny's Corner, that I would be out here filming. It's not where I thought I was going to go, but that's because these two goober heads right here wanted to be part of it, the experience. Say hi, guys! Let's see, first toss, did we get anything? Alright, we definitely got something, guys. Right off the first toss, we got a bolt. Got a bolt. And what? Oh, shoot, what is that? That's money. Found money. Look at this, guys. Hold on. What is that? I don't even know what kind of coin that is. It's a Jamaican coin. So apparently there's Jamaican money here. It's a Jamaican coin. Jamaican me money. Pretty cool, guys. First toss, a coin and a bolt. I love it. Into the bucket. Guys, let's go ahead and keep going. The last time that Madeline and I came out here, guys, we were finding all sorts of little tools, a bunch of cool stuff here, and really had a blast out here. So yeah, let's hope we bring up some cool stuff again today. First find, not bad, a bolt and a coin. Nothing. Just some shards. What did you get? What did you get? What did you get? Show us. We got a bottle cap. Riley found a bottle cap. Woo! Good job. So Riley, guys, if you don't know, she's using Centurion's little 1,200-pound single-sided magnet That seems to be perfect size for her, and she just found her first thing. Good job, Rye. Come on, Joe, you gotta catch up. Ooh, waving at you. Nice toss. Oh, check it out, guys. Alright, so I don't know what it is, but there is definitely a piece of metal on there. And we got a nail. Got a bent up nail here, guys. Alright, we're finding something. Into the bucket. You guys having fun? Yep. That's what it's all about. Getting out and having fun. What do we got? Oh! What? I don't know what it is. Oh, holy crap. What is this? It's got writing on it. There is writing on that, guys. I do not know what that says. Something Florida. Loriba? And what was this? That's a chew can. That's chew can, guys, with mud in the chew can. That has been down there forever. I'm always finding chew caps. Yeah, I know. I quit chewing. I know all about it. I did. All right, guys. Finding some cool stuff. Let's keep it going. What'd you get? What is that little thing? All right, good job. Into the bucket. What you got? Hey, that's not a shard. That's a piece to a fishing lure. Oh. See the hole at the end of it? There you go, Joe. So, yeah, guys, funny story here. We rescued our latest fishing bucket. It was on the side of the road on the way up here. We forgot to bring our bucket, and like I said, magnet fishing gods are with us. We recycled. Another metal shard. Got to watch out for these metal posts here, guys. We do not want to get the magnets stuck on these posts. We will not get them off without some serious effort. Ah. I think something just clicked on there. Something click on there? Nope. I thought I did. You stepped on my rope, you cheater. What'd you get? Oh, look at that. You got a bolt with a nut on it. Into the bucket. Good job, Rye. Joe, you want my sunglasses? All right, all right, all right. Just don't drop them. Oh, shoot. I got something heavy right here. Did I get it? Oh, guys, we got a hook. First fishing lure of the day. Got a broken tip on it, but it is right there, guys. Woo! Into the bucket. There is something heavy right here. I don't know what it is, but it clipped onto it. I just don't want to lose my magnet. Did you find something? Yeah. What did you find?
Little fishing hook.
She found a fishing hook. Good job, Joe. And some metal shards. Into the bucket. Whoa, 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 what is this? Got ourselves a bungee cord, guys. Check it out. Whoop. Bungee, 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 bungee. Into the bucket. Yes, I love it. Keep it in close. Just drop it straight down. It's not going to be far out. They're going to be right along the side of this dock. Think about it. Each one of these little things that we're tied off to, that means it's where a boat gets tied to. Oh, check it out. We got a stick, and we got another fishing lure. A purple worm. That thing has been in there a ill minute. Woo! Bringing up the good stuff. I will tell you what, guys, this Centurion Magnetic 3800 Omega series, they are not playing around with this magnet. It has changed my magnet fishing experience. Yes, it is heavy. Yes, it is stout. Yes, it is heavy duty. But it's made to deliver results. I love it, guys. I absolutely love this magnet. And like I said, look at, got another little hook on there. Another hook. Into the bucket we go. Just toss it out right and slowly drag. I think I got something. I think I got something here. Maybe it's just the weight of the magnet. I don't know. Yeah, just the weight of the magnet. That's what it's all about, guys. Getting out, having fun with the family and friends. You never know what you're going to find, but it is worth it. Got another little hook right here, guys. Into the bucket. Kind of rocky on this side. So be careful throwing it out here. It's pretty rocky. Oh, I lost it. I don't know, but it's something heavy. Right here. Right here. Come on. Check it out. What is that? If you guys know what this is, please tell me. I've never seen one of these things in my life. It looks like an old... What is that? Somebody forgot to take that off before they went in. Sure did. Oh, God. I know this goes to a boat. I just don't know what the exact... Either goes to a boat or trailer, but what I'm thinking is it sits on there, and I have no clue. I know it goes to a boat or a trailer, one of the two, but either way, I don't think this is supposed to be in the water, guys. Into the bucket we go. Biggest find of the day. Woo! What else we got on there? We got some shards. We got some shards too, baby girl. Good job. And got ourselves a bolt. Got a bolt. See? Never know what you're going to find right there. I just proved to you, didn't I? Yeah, you guys were ready to give up because you didn't find anything for a while. You don't want to catch everything off of every toss. Takes a minute sometimes. Oh, right there. Holy crap. Go. There is something heavy. Oh, I'm stuck. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's coming. It's coming, guys. Pull. Pull, 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 pull. That is heavy. I don't know what the heck this is, but it is heavy. Holy crap. What is this? What is this? What in the world? What in the world? That is amazing. I can't get it off. I can't get it off, guys. I can't get it off. Guys, I can't get it off. Alright, so hold on. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to roll it. Nope. Stop. God, this magnet is no joke. What in the world is that, guys? It's got holes in it, and it's got a rope on it. You think it's a part to a boat? Looks like someone's homemade anchor. I have no clue. See if we wash this off here. There we have it. Just rinsed it off some. Got holes in it, guys. I have no clue what this is. But if you guys know what that is, please be sure to drop in a comment. That thing weighs at least 10, 15 pounds. That is heavy. Whew. Into the bucket. That was heavy, ain't it, John? Whew. 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 Oh. Oh, God. Yeah, buddy. Check it out. It's getting there. It is getting there. Woo! I think that was the big find of the day. I hurt my muscles. This magnet, guys, I am not kidding you. This magnet is made for some serious business. It took me and Joe to pull that up out of there. And Riley. Whew. And then I couldn't get it off the magnet. Oh, what's that? What? Looks like an old metal hubcap. It was on your magnet and you couldn't get it all the way in? It happens, baby. Woo, into the bucket. Alright, let's see if we got anything on here this time. Huh? Looks like a broken bottle cap. Into the bucket. Make sure if you want to be part of that elite crew that finds awesome stuff, be sure to click the link below. That will bring you right to Centurion Magnetics website, where you can go ahead and order one of these for yourself or any one of their fine magnets. And you can also use my promo code JOHN10 for an additional 10% off your entire purchase. Get out there, have some fun. Summer's coming. find a new hobby, guys. I am loving what I am doing, and I'm sure you will too. Hey guys, if you like what you've seen on my channel, be sure to show us some support by clicking that subscribe button and ringing the bell, ding ding, to get all the access to the latest notifications. You never know what we're going to pull up here. Literally, never know what you're going to pull up. Today, I pulled up a tree branch. Never know. Never know what you find. Oh, what is that? Got something. Another dip can. Oh, what did you get, Rye? What is that? That's like, I don't know, solid piece of steel. Good job. Into the bucket. I'm gonna hockey check you into the water.
If I have my bathing suit on, I'll be fine.
Got a nail, guys. Found a nail. After all this time, I finally found something. Into the bucket. Alright, little sister wants to go ahead and give the big magnet a try. Is that heavy? No? Oh yeah, lovely. Cleaning out the gloves. Wrinkly hands! Should have gloves on, Ryan. Don't want to get boo-boo fingers. What you got? Keep trying. Oh, what is that? Staple. Staple. She got a staple. Alright. Alright guys, so we just wrapped it up. Riley, Joe, and I, we just wrapped this video up, guys. We found some cool stuff. Been here for probably a couple hours now. A lot of boaters are starting to come in, starting to use the dock, so it's kind of pushing us away from the dock. So we're just going to go ahead and wrap up here, but we're going to show you real quick what we found. It was not a bad day. We found a lot of cool stuff, so hold on, guys. Let me show you here. All right, guys, so for starters, the biggest, coolest thing I found was this right here. I have no clue what it is, but it's pretty cool. All I know is I think it goes to the back of a trailer or back of a boat, one of the two.
It's the back of the boat.
Then we found a bungee cord, a couple of chew can lids. It's been in there forever. We got a rubber lure that is nasty. That thing has been in there forever. And then Riley found some chainsaw lube. She dug that, got that out of the water. That's definitely don't want chemicals in the water. Then we found this giant steel plate of something. I don't know what that is, but it has a rope tied to it. Really, really cool. And then I think the coolest find was a Jamaican coin. Jamaican me money. We found that in there. There it is. I just turned it around. Let's see if you can read it. It's a Jamaican $1 coin from 2012. And then we got just some small pieces, bottle caps, hooks, bolts, and nuts. I'm gonna dump this in the bucket. Take the coin out for me, Joe. And then we found, it's beat up, but we found an old hubcap down there in the river dock. Down there on the boat ramp. Really cool, guys. Really cool. If you like what we're doing here, guys, be sure to click that subscribe button, ring my bell, ding ding, to get access to all the latest notifications. I'm having a blast. I hope you did. Until then, we'll see you right here on Johnny's Corner next time. Bye.